GM everyone, and welcome back to the Bunny Kingdom. I am Rhett Benatar, Community Manager at Hunnys, and today I'm here to show you how to build a custom NFT marketplace. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this, and I'm going to show you how you can get started with absolutely no code necessary. If you can copy and paste, you can build this marketplace. Oh, I like that. Yeah, we can use that. So if you're looking to do things like decrease your dependence on platforms like OpenSea, retain control over the business model that you've chosen, or just better cater to your audience, then let's freaking go. You've already taken the first big step to getting there. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to let us know by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the YouTube channel. It only takes a few seconds, and it would mean the world to us. Now look, the purpose of this video is not to completely bash popular NFT marketplaces like OpenSea or Blur. No, instead, I'm showing you this stuff so that in the totally unlikely and impossible event that OpenSea makes arbitrary decisions, disrupts your business model, your visibility, all without consulting you first, that you and your community are protected and have your own plan. If Web3 is all about bringing power to the people, you want to make sure that in this scenario, you're the people. Before we actually build this thing, let's quickly first talk about what this marketplace is and what it is not. Your custom marketplace is your ability to enforce things like royalties that you specifically built into your contract. This is also a chance to cater to your audience through branding and information consolidation. On the other side of things, your custom marketplace is not a full replacement of other NFT marketplaces. Your marketplace will aggregate and display data across multiple markets, even if the action isn't taking place directly on your site. Okay, now that our expectations are set, let's go ahead and build this thing already. We've built this as a step-by-step checklist for you to be able to follow along with, including all the links that you'll need along the way. So let's get started there. I want to create my free Vercel account, a free GitHub account, a free Reservoir account, and a free Alchemy account. With our account set up, it's time to grab some information from a few of these services. I'm going to generate my free Reservoir API key and store that in my notes. And then I will generate my free Alchemy API key and store that in my notes. Next, I'm going to head over to GitHub and fork the starter repository. I'll then head over to Vercel and create the marketplace project inside of Vercel. Next, let's talk environment variables. These variables make getting started a no-code effort, as we'll simply be able to copy and paste the values we want to use in order to make it custom to our own collections. Here's a list of all the environment variables that we'll use in today's demo, but you'll find that there are even more that you can explore and customize with. One thing that I do have to decide is, am I only going to be highlighting one single NFT collection? Or would I like to use a set of multiple related NFT collections? If the former, then I will want to use the environment variable next public collection. If the latter, I will want to use the environment variable next public collection set ID. For the sake of the demo, I'm going to set this up as a set of 3 NFT collections, all related to Hunnys. All I need is to be able to find their contract addresses. Once I have all of these figured out, I will then navigate to the Settings tab inside of Vercel, find environment variables, and begin adding them in one by one. I'm then going to check the boxes for production, preview, and development. Finally, I will then navigate to the Deployments tab inside of Vercel, click the Options icon next to my project, and click Redeploy. And behold, in all its glory, with absolutely no coding skills necessary, your marketplace is here. You can see that right out of the box, your marketplace automatically includes some really great modern features that you'd hope to get out of a website and marketplace, such as a wallet connect button with a lot of options, a sweep button and add to cart mode, and an automated prompt to alert people if they're not on the correct network. Two final thoughts I'd like to leave you with. Number one, if your collection was actually created on OpenSea itself, you won't be able to use this solution, unfortunately. However, we do have a great video on how to create a brand new collection on a contract address that you own, which I'll link up below. Also, for further customization options and to get your marketplace closer to something like the Hunnys Marketplace, you will need to visit the code and have some technical know-how. If that's something that you're interested in and would like to hire a member of the Hunnys team to build this for you, please just reach out to us in the comments, on Twitter, or in Discord. We'd be happy to discuss this with you and get you up and running quickly and for a super reasonable rate. If you're interested in learning more about Hunnys or have questions that we can answer about building your own marketplace, please just reach out. We'd love to help and would love to see what you've built. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.